So yo guys, welcome to Nordics. It's been a long time since we posted.
Take off the caps.
It's been a long time since our last video. That was in the winter, you know. But now it's summer. School starts tomorrow, and yeah, we are pretty depressed about that. So, as you can see, he said that he hates his life. This guy right here. Sadly, there is no swains out here right now because I think that they are like chilling here when it's
They have died.
winter or something.
We have killed them.
I told you not to talk about that. I told you.
We go here. This is a much better way.
And can we go now?
It's summer now, not fucking winter.
I really want to eat some fries right now, but I don't know.
I really like fries.
Then we can go and get something to eat later. Soon. And then like we will come back. We will come back after we have bought something to eat for lunch, you know.
Yes. Food.
No,
Food.
we can't eat these what the fuck? How do you
Vad heter det?
birds. Birds. But,
Ah yes, birds.
no, there is a type of bird. I don't know how you say it in English.
Chicken.
No. This bird, on Latin, it's pica pica.
It's
So
crow.
it's like
Crow.
no. Scotland.
Ah,
I don't know how the fuck you say that.
skate.
Skate. No.
Skate. It's called
No,
skate.
no, bro.
You know the bird with the white and the blue and.
As you can see, we are walking the same path as we did once when it was winter, and look how much grass it is everywhere. It's like green, but also very fucking yellow. And I'm sorry we don't have rice for you right now, but we'll
Rice.
come back later. That was a really bad racist joke. Yes. Okay, feel free to Diana.
Nej.
Okay. So, we go to Greenland eller vad det är.
Eric here has newly found a new religious belief that he has. It's called it's called Nazism. He really loves his Nazism, and he's a proud Nazi.
Kommer spränga det snart.
He now threatens me, and I feel very threatened.
He now threatens you to gas you.
Exactly, and if you didn't know this, I am a Jew. So he threatens me because I am a Jew.
He likes spinning dreidels and shit like that.
Exactly. I like dreidels and fucking money.
Alright, så klipp.
Ja, jag har en Facebook-account som jag var tvungen att göra.
Facebook.
Ja. Vad fan filmar du nu?
No, fel vinkling kanske.
Fan!
Kaboom. You heard what he said.
No.
No, the kaboom is the word that means that we are now at the path where we are going to walk up.
It's a very famous Swedish word. It's called, yes, the kaboom. The kaboom is a legendary animal which lives in the Swedish forests.
Som died.
What?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Remember that like Barbie wallet we find here?
Oh yeah, yes, right. We found a Barbie wallet and it had a lot of money in it, but we couldn't use the money. It was Monopoly money
It was Monopoly.
and stuff.
Fuck. You stupid.
The,
Oh, shit. Okay. So, one thing that I should let y'all know about me. I despise
squirrels.
I hate squirrels. I think that they should be eradicated from the earth.
I don't think so.
I think so too.
Dude,
They're fucking worse than youth.
you fucking me.
That throw was so
That was a very shitty throw, if you ask me.
You don't voice.
Oh my god.
You are so. You cannot throw. You cannot.
Can you stop, please? This is animal cruelty once again.
No, because I'm gonna get once I can. I'm gonna
We
get a
can
fucking weapon license.
we-
I'm gonna shoot all the
Airsoft.
squirrels I can see. Can I borrow your airsoft gun so I can
Yes,
shoot
yes,
the
yes,
Yes.
you can.
Because you know squirrels have like they like break in to my mom's apartment.
If the people in the comments want, we will make airsoft video. If the one people who commented on our video in our last video,
You will need like a
10.
GoPro camera or something.
yes,
Yeah,
I have a GoPro.
Me too.
And
Yes,
you
then
need to
can
have
we
it like
play?
on some helmet or something.
Ja,
Yes,
har-
yes, yes.
Jag har,
Like you know.
jag har 2
bandana.
GoPro.
Oh, well, that is very good. Then we can play
Airsoft.
airsoft or something.
I need to set the game is serious.
We are finally where we.
Here. I want to kill myself.
We have walked
No,
for hours,
I don't want to kill myself.
at least 5 hours.
At least 4 hours.
At least 5 hours.
Not 4.
5.
4.
Fuck you.
Fuck you too.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
You're
Okay, so guys, you should stop like fighting right now.
nigger.
Stop.
Blippa
What
bort
did you
det.
just call me?
I called you a cunt.
Okay. Okay, guys. Welcome.
Welcome to the underground.
The underground.
Yeah. I'm with you on that one. You know.
Welcome to the underground. How was your fall? If you want to look around, give us a call. La la. Na na na. Welcome to the underground. Give us your balls.
Oh shit.
Damn, it's hot out here in Sweden, you know.
I can
Like
go
a Sweden.
online now.
And I don't know why I'm wearing like a dark shirt, but that's all I got. Yeah, my birthday was yesterday, you know.
He turned
13.
55.
Yeah, I'm now an official 55-year-old that likes 13-year-old girls.
Yes, I like bitches.
He just called me a perv. And it wasn't even sad. It was just like, you know, it wasn't like irony. He really meant it, and I was really offended by that, you know. That wasn't so nice.
Actually,
I don't know. I'm just gonna go over here. That was supposed to be a bridge. Oh,
I
watch
don't
out.
think it's gonna work like
It's
a bridge.
spikes there.
I don't think it's gonna work.
But you
on
didn't
bridge.
try.
I don't want to break
You
my-
thought without trying.
Up.
And that shit wasn't nice.
Fuck you.
Fuck you!
Fuck you.
Fuck you!
Shut.
I don't break my.
Oh my god.
Yeah, but you could survive a fall like this. It's not that far
You
down.
can,
Maybe one
you
meter
can
or
survive
something.
this. Yeah. So you're
No problem. But down
Okay.
here, if you just walk on that and you would just like fall, then it would just be like this, you know. No problem at all. Oh shit! Damn, I'm rhyming. Did you hear
What?
that rhyme? Did you hear my bars?
No. I have. If you Just away.
If you are walking on a bridge
if you're a black
It
person,
breaks.
we will murder you.
and if you fall,
I don't want.
If you are a Jew, we
Oh, I
will
forgot
gas
my
you.
rhymes, I forgot my bars.
Your balls.
Oh shit! I forgot my testicles. That's in place.
Oh fuck! My testicles.
We be shooting.
Testicle festival.
We be shooting in the testicle festival.
I cannot break this off.
It's a radical. Damn! What the fuck? Look at my drippy shoes.
We will now. Fuck you. We will now go and see if the Hitler penis is still there.
Oh no! I think it's getting over.
It has been half a year, and I don't think it's there, but maybe if we are lucky, and
Let's
maybe
go
we
to the
can.
bench.
What? Fuck
This
you!
guy's tired. You can go down there if you want. This guy, he wants to sit down.
On the bench, it's like fucking.
But it has a nice view, so it's.
Yeah, it's really far away though.
Nah, not really.
Okay, not really, but kind of far away. At least like kilometer. Oh, maybe not kilometer. Maybe like 500 meters. Yeah, 600 meters.
No.
Meters.
It's like You know the water tower in our old school.
Yes.
It was like about 500 meters between those two, I think.
What?
I don't know, probably.
What water tower?
Listen
What do you mean with the water tower? It's really the water tower is really far away.
I mean, from our old school, the school we were in before.
Yeah. From the water tower to our school, that's 500 meters. Then it's like 700 meters or something.
Let's just walk there. It will go fast.
Okay.
Let's take the.
Let's take a piss. So
Oh, you need to. Oh,
I guess it's okay for me.
Then we can pause and then we'll come back to when we are at the other mountain.
You can film me when I take a piss, and
No, just
we can
pause.
get a Pornhub
We
channel.
can take a pause here.
No,
No, not here.
We take a pause here.
No,
Just clip it and we will come back when
not now.
we are at the other mountain.
Should
with the
we-
benches. Yes.
Okej.
Snabbspol.
Jag kommer inte blipa det du sa. Kom igen.
Kommer du ihåg när ni fick mig att säga...
Jag filmar.
Ni vet... Necromance armor eller något sånt
ja,
on
ja.
Terraria. You made me say like... what the fuck was it? Nigga man armor or something. Nigga man armor or something. Bleep that out. But I remember when you made me say that. And that wasn't fun. Or for you it was, but
It's
not-
necro armor.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
the
You know,
necroman armor. Necromance.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
a necromancer. No, necromancer armor. No.
and you made me say like N-word and then man armor or something like that.
10 times.
Because I was like tricked or something. Yo,
You were not tricked. You chose
Nugger.
to say it. Okay.
no, you know the ice cream that we have in Sweden, that chocolate ice cream. is
You
like-
know.
It's very good.
In Sweden, can you say chocolate ball in Swedish?
Chokladboll.
Nej, man säger inte choklad.
Negerboll.
Man säger negerboll.
Klipp bort det också.
I will
Eller
bli...
blipa alla bollar.
Blipa allt
Det
som
här
han
blir
har
en
fått med.
blip-video alltså.
Blipa allt som han har med.
Jag kommer nu istället för chokladbollar.
So now we are walking into the enchanted forests. You see? Here we
Someone
have
been
elves,
killed
we have
here.
dwarves, we have goblins, we
Eric-
have trolls.
Eric
Yeah.
here, he looks like the Canadian guard from South Park, The Stick of Truth, when you are trying to get into Canada, you know, if you have played that game. Our
Toronto
one
is
you
in
were.
Canada, right?
Toronto
Is Canada, right?
is Canada.
Yeah,
Quebec is Canada.
yeah.
I want to blow up.
You want to blow up Canada.
Nej, Finns.
You want to blow up things.
Toronto. Oh, Canada.
Guys, I'm gonna show something very cool here. Okay, stand there. No, not you. You stand, cameraman, stand there. Can you see a bit of that tree? Oh, that rhymes.
No, I can't
Okay.
get them
Anyways.
both. It didn't.
And
That was
is
really shitty.
My superpower. I can like shoot, you know.
Look at my drippy shoes.
I
You
think
know?
we should walk into the forest on the other side. You know, on the other side of this.
Shadow.
On the other side of this fucking mountain or whatever it is, there's a forest. I think we should walk into that forest because it's pretty nice to chill by the bunkers, you know.
I
Yes.
like the bangers.
We
I
the
like-
bunkers, you know. And that is I
That is
respect
because he is
I
a
respect
Nazi
that opinion.
and he hates.
fuck
he- He likes the Germans bunkers during the World War II because
No,
he
I
is
like the
a Nazi.
Americas.
He hates the Jews.
I like the America's bunkers.
The Americas.
Yes.
He doesn't know what he's talking about. He think Germany is called America for some stupid reason. Why do you take a stick? It's
because I can hit like animal, you know.
I hate.
Animals, animal cruelty or whatever it is. I think. Okay, listen here. I think animal cruelty is a lie. It never existed in our world, and it will never. exist.
We have never done animal cruelty.
Animal cruelty doesn't exist. You know?
I know it.
It exists. Okay, guys, my opinion has changed now. My buddy here says that animal cruelty
In
exists.
future.
In the future, animal cruelty will exist. So, but right now it doesn't. So,
Oh, okay.
So if you hit an animal, it will not be animal cruelty because that shit doesn't exist. It's just
broke my
bullshit.
stick.
And this opinion is pretty controversial. Whoa. And that didn't just happen.
Well, we have never committed animal cruelty, right? We have.
No.
We have.
Just say no without hesitating, okay?
No.
We have.
You want your stick back?
We have some good friends that's called Swains, and we have never done anything to hurt them because they are our best friends, and we love them.
These are our family.
Don't talk about my family that left me. I'm thinking about becoming Desmond in Smiling Friends. That guy who has like the revolver at his head all the time.
Oh. I'm thinking of becoming Gelp.
I think I'm gonna be president
You,
of USA.
you don't know what we are talking about.
I actually think that he has the IQ for that shit, you know.
In Russian.
He's Russian and he lives in Sweden and he wants to be the president of the United States,
I can't.
which is a country I guess that he's never been in.
I don't think.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm talking about. Have y'all noticed that my English has gotten better? than
It
the last
hasn't.
time?
It hasn't.
It hasn't?
No. It was better. It was better
think-
before.
No,
I
it
think-
wasn't.
Yes,
I
it was better before.
I think his
That could
English
be because I haven't
is
talking
fun.
English.
Exactly.
in a
But
bit-
you
in a while.
said it has gotten better. It hasn't.
Yeah, but we'll probably.
We
I think-
It will. It will probably be.
What?
It will probably be better.
I
Shaped.
think.
When we start
Wow.
school, I bet that it's gonna be.
No, I
Better.
think you are
Because-
better in English now.
Yeah.
Because
listen
I
to
got
this
a
guy. Listen to this guy. Look, no. My grandpa has taught me how to speak fluent sheepish. Okay. No.
Yes.
Look. Nah. You see, okay, so this guy, his name is Bert. I've talked to him a lot of times, and you know he's got some family problems. His friend just died, you know, and you see that guy in the back, like dude that's like black, super black, you know, and he has a criminal record. It's like very big.
He loves
has, like,
watermelon and chicken.
He's done very
So I'm
many
peeing.
bad things, you know.
He's peeing. He's taking a piss.
So I'm peeing.
He took a piss. Oh,
Do that. Okay.
they are moving because of you. You fucking
Oh, you.
motherfucker.
I think you can't remember. Fine, I think.
You cameraman.
Hey, you are.
Dick. Nordics.
Whoa, Nordics.
I
Whoa.
got our merch right here, guys.
Whoa. We should
Our merch is right here.
We should-
This will be our merch from now on.
release some merch.
Yeah. No. We can go up there. Okay. So now clip till we are like at the path where we are going to go. So we are back from eating our lunch. So this guy, he bought a classic burger and he was eating his fries like a fucking goblin. And this guy behind the camera, he also ate a classic burger.
Los clásicos Los Burgos.
He also ate a classic burger and oh my god, we got. And he was like
Too slow.
yeah, he eats very slow. And I took a special spice.
He was like 20 seconds before me.
And okay.
20 seconds, that's not much.
And I
And
was eating like, man, bro.
And he had his cola when I was done. He walked out with his cola too. He was not done drinking that, right? So he was technically slower than me.
And I took a special spicy burger and I was like numbing on that jalapeno like. It was super yummy.
The camera might be improved. I don't know. It's a new
Yeah, he has a new.
Phone.
He has, you know, that iPhone SE, you know.
SE. It's the best iPhone on the market.
Spara om det.
Vad fan är det här för något?
Spara alla.
Okay.
And now we are walking the same path as we walked before. I think we have lost count on how many times we have walked on this path before.
Det är dans. Jag kan fixa en. Det är dans nu.
Riktigt.
Roligt nu.
Negro.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Es negro.
They are saying.
Black in Spanish, yo, that means black in Spanish. You know the color, not the person, not the type of person. You know, not the type of person that do like that's criminal. No, shoots people on the street.
That's like chicken and
Klippa bort det
watermelon.
där, klippa bort det där. Jag vill inte uppfattas som...
Jag kommer inte klippa bort någonting som du har sagt att jag vill klippa bort.
Just clip it away.
Okej då.
Eller blipa det.
Ja, ja.
Blipa det.
Jag behövde blipa vad Ivar sa
Nej,
en gång.
du måste också blipa.
Okay. The Swains have returned.
What's good? So now it's been like 2 hours or even more since the last video clip, you know. And we got some water here and we just found some swains. Come. As you can see, the swains, they look pretty fucking thirsty. They look really thirsty. Yeah, so I'm thinking about go like make them drink some water because they look very thirsty. Yeah. Damn. As you can see, why is it far away? It's new kids.
Because they are, but they are scary. Can you can film. They are very scary. Wait. Look at that leg.
Damn.
Wow.
Damn.
Shit. Well, you film. I'm scared.
Here, you seem thirsty. Here.
Stupid. Jag tror inte de kan dricka det.
Kan du hålla det? Håll. I'm gonna try, you know.
It's your wife.
No, let's see if that guy looks if he is threatened by me. Okay, so that guy stands up.
You should make a new Aquaman called Seaman.
Okay. Damn! Did you hear that sound? It sounded like a fucking snake. Yo. Is that
It's
poop?
attracted to you.
No, it's not correct.
What are you filming now?
Poop.
That's his poop.
Go to it and.
Okay, honestly.
You know, I hate swains. You know, they are like not nice to me at all. And that's why this swain is fucking scared of me. This ain't animal cruelty, alright. This is not animal cruelty. But did you hear that fucking swain sound or whatever? Why is it like hissing like that, bro? Sounds like a snake. Oh, by the way, snake. We were under a fucking murder snake or something. How the fuck do you say a hookworm?
Hugworm.
What the bite snake.
Snakes some bite you.
Snakes on bite. Snakes on bite you.
Hugworm är bäst.
We sat under a very dangerous snake actually, and we didn't know that, but yeah.
So motherfucker.
Anyways, guys, that's
Shut
it
the
for
fuck
this
up.
video. Oh my God, be quiet! I'm trying to do an outro here. Anyways, guys.
Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe and kill all the views.
Hell nah! Thank you for
Kommentera
watching
om du vill ha
this meaning.
airsoft.
Kommentera om du vill ha airsoft, säger han på svenska.
Ja, fan,
Sorry,
jag-
he said comment if you want airsoft content on this channel, because they play airsoft, they like shoot each other and stuff like that. So thank you for watching this video. This very no, because like 5 people are drinking out of this water. I don't need it. And you're drinking. A literally stranger drank from that water bottle, and now he is drinking his fucking spit or something.
Nej, det är redan.
Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this meaningless video.
Now 20 seconds off.
On the other side of this,
Shut
on the
up.
other side of this fucking mountain or whatever it is. Nigger.
Alla kommer säga.
Vad säger du
Niggerboll.
You chose to say it